Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I'm pretty excited about this because I think I know what one of these is. I don't know what the other one is, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to CJRB for sending these in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So these should be available, and one of these I know a ton of you are going to want to check out. So I'm going to link both knives down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. I guess we're going to go with the bottom one first. So the first knife, see, I never know. It doesn't actually say what's going on the outside. Oh, good. CJRB, you should invest in those boxes with like the slide out full tabs or pull tabs, or maybe they won't. Who cares? I mean, I managed to get in there, right? So what do we have here? What's this first one? Oh yes, so this is the one that I knew about. Look at this. Oh boy, it's just a little baby. It's a little baby pyrite. Oh, come on, of course. We knew it's coming, right? Hold on, let me get Big Brother and Bigger Brother out, too. Look at that. Oh, I love the ano on this one, too. Now, hold on now. Is this titanium? I think maybe this might be titanium. I mean, it certainly feels that way. It's so small, though, it's hard for me to initially tell. Are we grabbing everywhere? Hold on, let's get the blade out of there. Grab. Boy, I mean, it's grabbing something, but is it the titanium? I think it's the steel liners. We got AR RPM 9. This feels like titanium. It doesn't feel like steel. I mean, it's too... Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've never seen steel change that color. In any case, there will be information about this down in the description. Look at that. Look how they did that. A huge highlighted lanyard barrel, which honestly I don't really care about. It's acting as a standoff, and it's out of the way of the pocket clip, but it also adds a little highlight, a little contrast, right? Can we still use the choil? We absolutely can. How's the action? Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful on a teeny tiny little button lock. Hold on, I got to get the reverse flick. That's always hard to do on a little tiny knife. Got to get your index finger out of there. There we go. There we go. Yeah, okay, that's pretty neat. A little travel-sized pyrite. Okay. So my guess is that they will do, regardless of whatever this material is. I mean, it honestly just feels way too light to be... See, we've got steel liners in there, I'm pretty sure. Do we? Yeah. There are nested, milled steel liners in there. That's weird. I was like, why is the double milling? It's reflecting off the other side. They will likely do the same thing that they did with the pyrite and do like a basic, I'm just guessing, I have no idea, a basic steel and AR RPM 9 version. They'll do a titanium and AR RPM 9, and then they'll do a titanium and S35VN, or maybe even a titanium and S90V version of it. But that is very cool. And let me give you a high five for this. They actually shortened the clip instead of just being like, oh, we'll just slap the same clip on there. Hey, to any other company, I don't know why any other company would watch this, but listen, when you do a smaller knife, put a smaller clip on it like this, because otherwise you end up with a ridiculous pocket clip that runs the length of the body. Not only does it look bad, but it's uncomfortable. Not in this case. This is actually plenty comfortable for a little tiny knife. I generally don't like little tiny knives, but I am a fan of this one. So, real quick, let's just do a comparison of the three sizes. I got the sheep's foot in the medium size one. So it looks like we've got three dramatically different sizes available now. Very, very good. This is, look at this line that they've created here, right? This is cool. Very few people are going to be so nitpicky that they're like, I need one in between. Well, sorry. They've got a good size range, because the medium sized one isn't all that big. I mean, it's still under 8 inches, right? And the big one is pretty big, right? Yeah, this is cool. I like this. Awesome. Okay, so what's we'll leave that guy out here. I'm gonna put these other two bigger guys away. Sorry, let me get this out and we'll just leave it right there. What do we have here? Okay. So for that box was much easier to get apart. So for the second one, wait, is it also the pyrite but a different blade shape? Yeah. Oh, I like this one better immediately. I like this one better immediately. That opening hole there is a lot easier to get at than the thumb stud. And the thumb stud version is just fine, right? Hold on. I need to get it with my other hand there. This one needs a little bit of... What's stopping you here there, guy? I think it's just a little tight. Yeah, the button reacts the same way whether I push it hard or I don't. So it's just a little tight. It'll break in. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. But is this the same thing? Is it the pyrite? Is it? No, the handle shapes are different. This is a different knife. Yeah, look. See? Look, you got to look at their butts. Huh? These are totally different butts. But man, it's so dumb. I actually really like the contrasting color lanyard barrel. I think that's actually pretty cool. For a small knife, a small button lock, whoops, that was a close one. For a small button lock knife, this actually is very easy to manipulate. That's the reason, I've always said this, I don't like small knives for this reason, because I like to manipulate my knives with one hand, right? I mean, obviously two-handed, you're going to be fine. But I like to manipulate this stuff with one hand. And a smaller knife just doesn't work. I'm not saying I have gigantic hands, I'm saying a smaller knife just doesn't work for me. But this is cool. AR RPM 9. Okay, off the top of my head, I can't remember what they called this. I can't remember if they told me about this. I know I got an email or a message or something. But the information on what this is will be in the description. Either way, though, I think these are both the same size. Is this like a new model line? It's even smaller. Let's zoom in a bit. And then let's measure them. So, hold on. Sorry, I'm just getting these worked out. Here we go. Okay, so measurement. The mini pyrite, 5.5 inches. Blade length, 2.35. Cutting edge, 2. This guy is 5 point, no, it's 5.25. Cutting edge, I'm sorry, blade length 2.25, cutting edge is under, so it's like 1.85. Interesting. Let's weigh them both. Alrighty. The weight on the mini pyrite, 2 ounces. Still, that's too light for it to be steel. Maybe I'm wrong. 1.9 ounces. These are just little babies. Little tiny babies, but they're cool. If you're going to do a little tiny knife like this, you know, they got to be done right. And I mean, first impressions, these work pretty well. I'm excited to spend some time with these, put them in the pocket, carrying them around a bit. And then, of course, you guys will get a full comprehensive review of each knife after I do that. This is not a review. This would be a terrible review. Just somebody opening knives and saying random thoughts about how they feel initially. No, I want to spend some time with them, then I'll give you guys my review. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.